If you want to hide photos and videos on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, first of all, we can open the gallery. Now over here, what you need to do is simply open the photo or video that you wish to hide. You can tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then we can move to secure folder. You can also select multiple items at once, so we can start by pressing and holding our finger on the first item, and then we can select multiple data, as I mentioned. Now we can tap on these three dots that we have in the bottom right corner, and then we can choose move to secure folder. Now, if you don't have secure folder set up, then you will have to do that first. So you will have to press continue, grant permissions, and then we need to wait for the secure folder to be created. Then we can create the password. Well, we actually have to create a password for the secure folder. In my case, I'm gonna use a simple PIN code. There we go. And once again, enter the same password to confirm. You can also use your Samsung account in order to be able to reset the password. And let's go next. Now over here, we can allow background activity while the secure folder is locked, or you can also close all apps while the secure folder is locked. So we can proceed, and then we will move selected items to the secure folder. Of course, right now, if we try to move additional items to the secure folder, it will be much quicker. Just like this, and that's all. In order to find all these photos and videos, we need to go to the secure folder, which is created in the app drawer. And over here, we can go to the gallery. And there we go, we have our files. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.